Is that dreaded "this video is currently unavailable" message stopping you from binging your favorite shows on Amazon Prime? Let's fix that. First, let's confirm the obvious: is the video actually available in your region? Licensing agreements vary, so what's available in one country might not be in another. A quick search online for the show's availability in your country can confirm this. And while you are confirming the availability, let's check your internet connection. A stable connection is a must. Try running a speed test to ensure you're getting adequate bandwidth for streaming in HD or even 4K. Still no luck? It could be a glitch with the Amazon Prime Video app or website. The first and easiest fix is a simple restart. Close the app completely or refresh the webpage if you're watching on a computer. If restarting doesn't solve it and you are using the app, try clearing the cache. Cached data can sometimes become corrupted and cause playback issues. Go into your device settings, find the Amazon Prime Video app, and look for the Clear Cache option. Another common culprit is an outdated app. Make sure you're running the latest version of Amazon Prime Video. Check the App Store or Google Play Store for updates. If problems continue, try signing out of your Amazon Prime Video account and then signing back in. This refreshes your account credentials and can resolve authorization issues. Finally, as a last resort, uninstalling and reinstalling the Amazon Prime Video app can sometimes resolve deeper software conflicts. Hopefully, one of these solutions gets you back to enjoying your favorite content without interruption. If the issue persists after trying these steps, Amazon Prime Video support is your next best bet.